Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are going to design new component. Before that, I need to thank that one guy who subscribed me, and comment sections are open below, so you can comment whatever you need. Just don't scold. Okay, now let's begin the tutorial. To do this, first you need to go to create sketch. You could see it in there, that plus icon with green color. You need to go to create sketch and you need to assign top view because top view is always convenient to draw. So assign top view right here. Now click that plane and go to circles. You have a circle with diameter 80 mm, so you need to draw a diameter of circle with 80 mm, and then you have three circles like with diameter 10 mm. So you need to click that one, and from the axis it's 28 mm. So first draw a circle, rough circle of 10-meter diameter, like is shown here, 10 mm. You need to do for extra two circle, another two circle. Just click 10 mm. Third one. Now we successfully drawn three circles. Now we need to dimension it from this point to this point. It should be 28 mm. So just enter 28. Another circle, the same 28 mm. So want to dimension properly, and another 28 mm. Now we have inner circle with the diameter 35. So go to circle and click from the point. It should be 35. Oops, 30. You need to trim it. It should be 35, right? I draw 30. Okay. Now we need to draw this line. Okay. We need to draw 35 mm diameter circle. So just draw a 35 mm diameter circle. Now you could see it's exactly the same picture as I shown right side. And from the circle, you need to draw a line as I shown here. You need to draw another line on bottom from this point to that point. Now we need to trim it so that we could get the desired shape. So go to trim option and click that these 2 points. Now it shows wrong dimensions, but it's not our no worries because we got desired shape, right? Hmm. Now we need to extrude it. We found the same dimension. Go to solid, extrude, just tilt the plane, and at last you need to select which one we need to extrude. Except the three circle, we need to select that and give 10 mm because 5 mm because its thickness is 5 mm. And from the top you could see the picture. The component is ready. Do support me, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you need. That's all, guys. That's all about this video. Thank you.